Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platforms. For today's video, I will show you how to use image-to-image feature in BlueWillow AI. BlueWillow AI has its feature that we can upload our own photos and transform it into an image that we would like. To start, we are going to use our own server here, the Platform Mastery. Click on the cross button right here and click on Upload a File. You can upload in JPEG and PNG format or any format of picture that BlueWillow AI would allow. After choosing your image, press Enter, and the image will reflect here. Let's transform this. Type in \imagine prompt, and then we will get the data of this image by selecting the image and drag down to get its link and paste it beside the prompt word. After that, type in a description of what you would like to do with the image. As we can see here, it's not working all the time, maybe of the choice of words for our description. So let's try again. Let's say make the house float. And let's wait for a few moments here. It generated, but I think it's far different from what we would like to be. Let's try again and upload another image. Let's try this cat here. Let's say put a hat on the cat. We will wait for a few moments. And here it is. Not bad. It has a cat with a hat. We upscale and generate other variation by clicking here. And here, we have other variation of cat with a hat. And this is the upscaled version of one of our generated images. And that is how to use image-to-image on BlueWillow AI. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!